How to get your money back from Vinted or process a Vinted refund. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your money back in the orders that you purchases or you made from Vinted. The first, Vinted is actually an online platform where you can shop online. So first things first, to process a refund is open up Vinted, whether it's from the app or from web version if you're using your laptop, and make sure that you're logged in. Now, at the top portion of your screen from Vinted, you should be able to see your current profile picture. Click that and you'll receive drop-downs. Hit on My Orders, and basically this is where you can process your refund. Now before you process your refund, you've got to make sure that you fully understand the Vinted refund policy. So first things first, your package never arrives, your package was damaged in transit, or your item is significantly not as described. So make sure that either one of these options is applied on the item that you purchase so that processing a refund will not be inconvenient on your end. So once everything is sorted out, just go back into my orders, and then if you did not receive or any of these reasons right here, just simply process it under my orders on your Vinted account, and you're done. And that is how you get your money back from Vinted or process a Vinted refund.